In the second governance dashboard tutorial, we are going to walk through how to create a dashboard for the governance metrics related to information security training. The numbers in your data file will be different than the numbers in this tutorial, but the steps will be the same. You do need to follow closely along with what I'm showing here. You may have fewer or more worksheets in your Excel file. That's okay, I just wanted to mention it. Substitute your hotel names where the Hotel A, Hotel B, and Hotel C names show in this tutorial. You may want to make note of which hotel is your Hotel A, which name is your Hotel B, and which name is your Hotel C. Open the file that contains the data template, ratios, and dashboard worksheets that you worked on previously. In this tutorial, we will create 3 more charts for the governance dashboard. Navigate to the Data Template worksheet. For these 3 charts, we want to show the metric percentage of employees who use a computer or handle guest payment information who completed an information security and protection training course. Each chart will be a line chart showing the metric over 3 years for one hotel. We would like to show the data as a percentage with just 1 decimal point. To do this, select cells F53 through H55, and on the Home tab, click the decrease decimal icon once. To create the first chart for Hotel A, select cells F53 through H53, and on the Insert tab, click Recommended Charts. Click on the Recommended Line Chart and then click OK. Click on the plus icon at the top right of the chart to open the chart elements. Select the chart title and data labels elements. Be sure that no other chart elements are selected. Mac users, there is no plus icon next to the chart in Excel for Mac. To change the elements of the chart, click on the chart, then click Add Chart Element on the far left of the Chart Design tab. Select the preferred option in the drop-down menu for each element. If an unwanted element is already selected, click on it again to deselect it. Double-click the chart title to select it and type Hotel A, where Hotel A is the name of the first hotel you are using. We are going to make charts for Hotels B and C next. To make the process simpler, we can save this chart as a template to use again. Right-click in the chart and in the drop-down menu, click Save as Template. Name the template Chart 8 and save it. Drag the chart for Hotel out of the way. Then select cells F54 through H54 and on the Insert tab, click Recommended Charts. Click on the Recommended Line Chart and then click OK. Next, on the Chart Design tab, click Change Chart Type. Click Templates, select your saved line chart template, Chart 8, and click OK. Change the chart's title to Hotel B, where Hotel B is the name of the second hotel you are analyzing. Drag the charts for Hotels A and B out of the way. Then select cells F55 to H55, and on the Insert tab, click Recommended Charts. Click on the Recommended Line Chart and then click OK. Next, on the Chart Design tab, click Change Chart Type. Click Templates, select your saved line chart template, Chart 8, and click OK. Change the chart's title to Hotel C, where Hotel C is the name of the third hotel you are analyzing. Next, we need to make the title for the dashboard wider. Navigate to the Governance Dashboard worksheet. Click in the title cell. Hold the Shift key and select the cells that go about 2/3 of the way across the top of the screen. On my screen, that is column O. Then on the Home tab, click Merge and Center twice. The first time you click Merge and Center, the title will shift left and be unmerged. The second click will re-merge and re-center. Now we will create a heading for our charts. Still on the Governance Dashboard worksheet, on the Insert tab, click Shapes. In the drop-down menu, click the text box icon. Click and drag with your mouse to create a text box. Click in the text box and type percentage of employees who use a computer or handle guest payment information who completed an Information Security and Protection Training Course 2021 to 2023. Select the text and on the Home tab, change the font to size 14. Then click the center align icons for both horizontal and vertical alignment. Resize your text box as needed by dragging the handles that surround it. The last thing we need to do with the heading for the charts is to change the text color so that it matches the two column charts. Select the heading and on the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to Fill Colors and select Light Gray, Background 2, Darker 75%. Now we will move our charts to the dashboard. Navigate to the Data Template worksheet. Select the line charts by clicking on each of them while holding down the Control key. Then hit Control X or Command X for Mac to cut them from the worksheet. Navigate to the Governance Dashboard worksheet and click anywhere. Then hit Control V or Command V for Mac to paste the charts. With the three charts still selected on the Shape Format tab, change the size of your charts to a dimension that fits beneath the heading. For my screen, that is 2 inches by 5 inches. This may take some experimentation to get it just right. Drag the charts individually to align them under the chart title. Next, we will remove the outline from the chart's heading. Click on the title. Then on the Shape Format tab, click the drop-down arrow next to Shape Outline. In the drop-down menu, click No Outline. Now we will remove the outline from the charts. Click on the first chart. Then on the Format tab, click the drop-down arrow next to Shape Outline. In the drop-down menu, click No Outline. Select the second chart. Then on the Format tab, click the Shape Outline icon. The shape outline will still be set to no outline from the previous chart. Select the third chart and click the Shape Outline icon. We are now done with parts 1 and 2 of the Governance Dashboard. Be sure to save your file as you will be starting the next part of this tutorial series with your saved file. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.